In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add status on ClickUp 2026 guide. First, open ClickUp and head into your workspace. This is your home base where your spaces, folders, and lists live. Make sure you're in the area where you manage the tasks you want to update, so everything you change is applied in the right place. Next, pick the relevant task you want to track. Maybe you already have a project in progress and you want to see its status at a glance. If you prefer to start fresh, you can create a new task instead. Let's create one together. Click the plus icon to add a new task. Give it a clear, actionable title so it's easy to find later. For example, I'll name this one Credit Card Application because it's a priority item I want to monitor closely. Now, let's add a custom status to make tracking even clearer. Open the Task's status menu and choose New Status. Custom statuses help you tailor your workflow beyond the default options, so your board reflects how your team actually works. Type the name for your new status. I'll enter Highlight to flag tasks that need extra attention. Short, descriptive names are best, and you can always adjust the color and order later to keep your workflow tidy. Click Save to add the status, and then confirm by clicking Save again if prompted. The first save creates the status. The second confirms it in your workflow, so it's ready to use on tasks in this list. With the status created, select it from the Task Status menu by choosing Highlight. If you want to adjust the wording later, open the status menu again and click Rename to change the label without losing any task history. Open the Credit Card Application task to see the new status applied. You'll notice the status pill at the top of the task. This is where you'll update progress as work moves forward. From here, you can switch the task back to Do if it's just getting started. When it needs special attention, pick Highlight again to bring it to the top of your list. This quick toggle is perfect for signaling urgency without rebuilding your entire workflow. If plans shift, set it back to Do, and once more to Highlight when you're ready to focus on it again. And that's a wrap. You've seen how to add a custom status in ClickUp, apply it to a task, rename it when needed, and switch between statuses to keep progress crystal clear. If this was helpful, like and subscribe for more simple, comprehensive tutorials. Thanks for watching.